Helping clients find the right commercial space is more than just about square footage. It's about strategy. With RPR's commercial site selection tool, you can pinpoint areas where their business has the best chance to grow based on a community's behaviors, economic, and demographic data. Let's get started. From the homepage, select Research and Commercial Site Selection. Site selection asks the question, where are the right people for a business? Use this analysis to help a client find the best place to search for properties using Esri's demographic, economic, psychographic, and spending data, helping to identify the communities and economic conditions that they want to be around. This tool is useful in all types of commercial site selection efforts, from finding a consumer base for a new restaurant to locating the perfect area to invest in a medical office facility. When using this search, choose a broad area to search and then enter the attributes about your desired customer, employee, or renter base and trade area economic conditions. We'll walk through a quick example. A realtor in Austin, Texas is looking to help a client open a new cookie shop. The client has indicated that they are interested in opportunities in San Antonio, Texas, so that's where we'll search. The target customer for this type of cookie shop is a family-focused mom in her mid-30s and 40s, married with children, averaging around $90K income or above. We can add up to 5 attributes to the site selection tool. Let's start with our first attribute: who they are, consumer segmentation, family landscapes. Select OK. Let's narrow down further and add in who they are, marital status, married with children. Next, let's make sure we get the demographics in the right income range, so we know this customer base has the spending money for these high-end cookies. That's who they are, income, and we'll choose a few ranges: 100K to 150, 150 to 200K, and above 200. That gives us our full 5 attributes, but we could always go back and modify or change these. If you're curious about where the data is coming from, simply hover over the question mark and the system will show you where it came from, along with when we last updated it. Once you select Run Analysis, you'll be directed to the analysis map results, showing the best trade area matches in the darkest purple color. From the Analysis panel, click on the Geography pull-down and select your geography. You'll see areas that are the best match. You can select all of the best geographical matches and perform a search for listings or search all the public records in those areas. You can also run an analysis on just those zip codes, further narrowing your search. From the map, select any of the shaded areas to perform all those same searches or even view the trade area details. If you plan to include the site selection process in your presentation for a client, generate a report by clicking the Create Report under your analysis results. Choose Site Selection Template. Title your report and select Continue. You're now in the report editor. Update your cover photo to a beautiful overhead shot of the area or even a picture of the business you're searching a location for. Select Edit Cover, View All, Add Photos. Click the checkbox in the upper left of the photo. Double-check your contact information and add a personalized message to the report if you want. Back to Customize, adjust your report using the side panel. Uncheck or check elements, drag and drop sections, or follow prompts like Select Photos for further edits. Add your own custom pages and preview your report in the viewer. Once you're happy with the full report, make sure you save it. Select Save, Save as Draft. Now you can come back and edit this report at any time. If you love the layout and selections you've made and would like all your future site selection reports to look like this one, save it as a template. And now it's time to share. Select Share. Copy Dynamic Link will copy to your clipboard a URL that will update every 48 hours when accessed. Email will let you email that same dynamic link. Share to Social gives you direct links to share your report to your social media accounts. And if you want a static version of this report that will not update every 48 hours, select Download to download a PDF version of the report. Now you can share the places for your client's business to find customers. Don't forget to follow RPR on our social networks and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's one of the best ways to get RPR product and release updates, as well as helpful tips and tricks.